Hello, hello everyone. Today I am going to explain since and for. We use since to pointing at a time. Uh, if I give example, since January, since Monday, since Tuesday, since 5 o'clock, since 5:30. We use since to exact the point, to point out exact the point. If you understood, like I born since 2025. I'm not focusing on sentence structure. I only try to understand, making understand. Since uh, I am working since my childhood. I am good at communication skill since 2025. If you want to pointing exact the time or starting time, any action or like any starting time, you pointing the exact time, exact moment, so you can use since. Otherwise like when we use for, so using for duration of the time, long period of time, for like duration, like calculated time. If I give you example, I have been learning English for 6 months. If you can you understood since, like since exact the point, like 2025, 2026, Monday, Tuesday. But when you use for 6 months, I'm working for 2 days, for 2 days, 2 days duration. And I am speaking English, I am good at English for 1 month. Like not making sense, but I am trying to explain, like a duration, for duration. uh, I am good at communication skill for like this is not making sense. mm, for 5 minutes, for 1 hour, like I am free for 5 hours. I am free 5 minutes. I am working, like okay, wait a minute, I will show something. For 6 months, for long time, I she has been learning English for long time, for a long time. So do you understand? We use like it is easy to understood, but most of the time we are confused in since and for. But it is when you want to use like a pointing any time or any specific moment, you use since. And when you try to say calculated time, then you use for. Do you get it? Like that. So I'm also lost. I was also lots of confusion in this since and for, when you use since and when you use since for. So this is maybe you are understood. Okay.